Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing another project pan update for you guys, and this time around it's going to be my makeup project pan. And unfortunately, like I had said in my previous video, I have not been wearing makeup for at least a month, so I haven't done an update in over 2 months. So yeah, this is probably still only about a month's worth of usage, even though it's been longer since updating you. So just wanted to put that out there because the numbers are pretty small / comparable to last time that I did my update, but still wanted to share it with you, and hopefully I can make more progress going forward. And I am starting to wear my makeup again now, so that's a positive, that's a good thing, and hopefully I can get more usage because of that. So we're gonna start with our IT Cosmetics concealer. I feel like, as always, this one is usually the thing that's used the most, and this month is no exception. I ended up using this concealer 17 times. Still cannot tell where I'm at in this. There's so much air in here, but I did weigh it. Last update, this weighed 7.7 grams, and this update, it ended up weighing 7.59 grams. So like basically 0.11 grams. I feel like, again, I'll have the exact amount of usage here at the bottom of the screen for you. I am not wondering if this will even be done by the end of the year. I don't know. I thought it would be, but I question that now. The next item I have in here is my Revlon eyeshadow in Vintage Lace. And there, I don't think there's any visual progress here, honestly. So that I can't really give an update on, but as far as usage goes, I really only used this 4 times, which is very small amount, less than I used last update that I shared with you. I did weigh this also, and last update this weighed 18.24 grams. I did move a little, but barely any, but you know, I only used it 4 times. This month when I weighed it, it weighed 18.18 grams. So what that's like, 0.05 grams of product. You know, I kind of expected that. Next, I'm going to talk about the lip products. So I have the KKW Beauty lip liner. This one, surprisingly, I was able to use 11 times, which I feel like is pretty good. Last update, I only used this 4 times, so 11, I will take it. And then weight-wise, I weighed it last update, it weighed 5.69 grams. This update, it weighs 5.61 grams. So even though I used it 11 times, the weight isn't much at all. 0.07 or something grams. Yeah, very minimal. Also, I made a marking on this where I keep like a little bar graph thing that I make to show visible progress on how far it goes down each time. So I'll insert that here for you so that you can see there is some visual progress. So that's always exciting to be able to see that visually. Next is my other lip product from Victoria's Secret. It's their Beauty Rush lip gloss in I Want Candy, and there is no visual progress here. I could not make another marking on it. My usage was very minimal as well. It was only 4 times, which I feel like the progress on this one is usually very minimal all the time. Last update, this weighed 12.67 grams, and this update weighs 12.52 grams. 0.15 grams, I think, of usage on this, which that makes me feel a little bit better, but I know it's still not a lot. So anyway, there's the update for that one. Pretty quick and simple. Next is my other eyeshadow that I've been using from Physicians Formula, and it's the brown shade in here that I'm working on. And I took a quick picture of this, but I honestly don't think there's any visual progress to show versus last update. I just haven't been using it very often. I only used this 4 times, and I don't think that's enough to make much of a dent in this because it is an eyeshadow, so a little bit goes a long way. As far as the weight goes, it didn't move at all. Like, the weight is still exactly the same as the last update. Like, exactly the same. It's 38.88 grams. So that's some disappointing progress with this one, I have to admit. Next is my cream blush, and I feel like there's like, I'm like almost there. I can tell like I'm just almost there, and yet just because of not wearing makeup much, I didn't use it very often. So unfortunately this one I only used 4 times as well, and I don't think it made much of a dent. I mean, maybe I did take a quick picture of what it looks like now. If it's any different, I'll do like a comparison and show you so you can kind of see. Then I can see too while editing it if there is any progress. But I did weigh this as well, and last month this weighed 2.83 grams. And this month it weighs 2.77 grams. So I think I used 6, I think I only used 0.06 grams of this product within those 4 uses. So not significant at all. Okay. Last but not least is my Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. And this one, again, I didn't use it a whole lot, but I used it more than 4 times. So that's good. I used it 6 times total. And I could not make a new marking on this, unfortunately. I tried to see if I could, but I can't. There's no movement visually, but I did weigh this, and last update it weighed 66.04 grams, and this update it weighs 65.38 grams. Oh, this is like hard math for me. I don't know why, but I'll have the exact amount that I used right here. I don't think it's a whole lot, but it's something, so I will take it. All right, so that is everything that I have to share with you guys for my makeup project pan update this month, which was actually over the course of 2 months. Hopefully, like I said throughout this thing, I can do better next month. I feel like I just really would like to use one of these products up. I feel like it's been a while since that has happened in these updates, and I just really can't wait for an exciting update again finally in the makeup project pan. I know makeup takes a longer time to use. I just feel like there's been so many times throughout this year where I just haven't been wearing makeup, or I've just been really slow at using these certain products. So I'm just crossing my fingers that something will budge, or at least have a significant visual difference. I feel like that's what I'm lacking a little bit, especially in this update. But yeah, I know this wasn't the funnest update, but I hope you still appreciated hearing where I'm at and seeing where I'm at. If you like Project Pan videos, please continue to follow me along. I will try and be better about keeping up with this and uploading for you guys so you can follow my progress as well. If you are doing a project pan, let me know down below. How is it going for you? Hopefully you're doing better than I am right now. I wish you luck in your progress and project as well. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.